Hey guys, in today's video I'm showing you another Rainbow Loom bracelet tutorial, and this is the Dragon Scale Cuff bracelet, so let's just get right into this video. The things you'll be needing are some rubber bands. I'm using purple and orange, and you are going to need 1, 2, 3 C-clips. You're also going to need a hook. I'm using a Rainbow Loom hook, but you can use a crochet hook if you want. And last but not least, you'll need a loom. And your loom does not have to be set exactly like mine, but I've just set it up like this because it's the easiest way to show you guys. Also, make sure the red arrow on the loom is pointing to the right. We're only using these 6 pegs for this bracelet. First, I'm taking an orange rubber band and placing it like a figure 8 on my first and second pins. Now I'm taking another rubber band and doing the same thing on the third and fourth pins. Now, twist another rubber band on the 5th and 6th pins. Also, don't forget to push all the rubber bands down. Now I'm taking a purple rubber band and I'm placing it on the 2nd and 3rd pins on top of the orange rubber bands. Now I'm doing the same thing on the 4th and 5th pins. Now I'm using my hook to pick up the first orange rubber band and pulling it up and over the 2nd peg. And that's how it looks like. Now this orange rubber band doesn't have a twist in it, so I'm going to pick it up, twist it, and put it back on down on the peg. If this happens to you, make sure to do the same thing. Now pick up the 2nd orange rubber band and pull it up and over the 3rd peg. Now pick up the other end of the same rubber band and pull it up and over the 4th peg. Now I'm picking up the last orange rubber band and I'm putting it up and over the 5th peg. So this is how my loom looks like so far. Now I'm taking an orange rubber band and placing it straight across the 1st and 2nd pins. Keep in mind that the rubber bands we are going to be placing from now on are going to be placed straight across. There will be no more twisting rubber bands. Now place another rubber band on the 3rd and 4th pins and the 5th and 6th pins. This is how your loom should look like so far. Using your hook to take the bottom orange rubber band on the 1st peg and pull it up and over the 1st peg. Now do the same thing on the bottom purple rubber bands on your 2nd pin, your 3rd pin, your 4th pin, and 5th pin. And also make sure to pick up the bottom orange rubber band on the last 6th pin and pull it up and over. Don't forget to push everything down so you can have room for newer rubber bands. Now I'm taking a purple rubber band and placing it on the 2nd and 3rd pins and another rubber band on the 4th and 5th pins. Now pick up all the bottom orange rubber bands and pull it up and over, just like how you did with the previous purple rubber bands. Do this to all of the bottom orange rubber bands, just like how I'm doing. Now just follow these same steps over and over again until your bracelet is long enough. And remember, you are not twisting any rubber bands. All the rubber bands you are going to be placing from now on have to be straight across. No more twisting. And no more figure 8s. Now I'm doing the same thing with the purple rubber bands. So by now you should probably be getting it, but if you don't, just watch what I'm doing and follow the same things. Now I'm just gonna leave you to a time lapse of me making my bracelet, so enjoy! When you're done and you think your bracelet is long enough to fit around your wrist, take the rubber band from the 2nd pin, pick it up, and transfer it to the 1st pin, just like that. Now, take the rubber band on the 3rd pin and transfer it to the 4th pin, just like how I'm doing. Now, take the rubber band on the 5th pin and transfer it to the last pin, aka the 6th pin. Now it's time to use your 3 C-clips. So take your first C-clip and put it inside the 2 ends of the first rubber band. Now take another C-clip and put it through the ends of the next rubber band. Now do the same thing to the 3rd rubber band. Sorry, this part was out of frame. Now you can carefully remove all the rubber bands from the pegs. For this part, follow the same steps I'm doing. By the way, this is at the other end of the bracelet. Now this is how your finished dragon scale cuff bracelet should look like. Alright, that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Also hit that like button if you want to see more Rainbow Loom videos from my channel. Stay home and stay safe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!